Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix FIFA Heroes game not loading or stuck on loading screen problem or stuck on infinite loading screen problem on Android phones. So here follow the fixes very carefully. So the first fix is to simply restart your Android phones. So just restart your device, and once your device restart, go ahead, launch the FIFA Heroes app and check if your problem is solved or not. Next step is to check for FIFA Heroes app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for FIFA Heroes and then tap on it. And if you find any updates available for this app, then update it and then go back, launch the game and check. Next fix is to check for internet connection. So if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check. And if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to a different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to force stop FIFA Heroes app. So tap and hold FIFA Heroes app icon, then click on app info, then click on force stop and confirm it. Then go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you have to also clear the FIFA Heroes app cache. So again tap and hold FIFA Heroes app icon, then click on app info, then click on storage usage and then tap on clear cache and confirm it. Then go back, launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then again tap and hold FIFA Heroes app icon, then click on app info, tap on storage usage and this time also tap on clear data. Now please take a note over here. Clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if we agree, only then tap on delete to confirm it and then you can go back, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next fix is to allow the background activity. So tap and hold the FIFA Heroes app icon, then click on app info. Now tap on battery usage and check mark the first option, that is allow background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm, then go back, launch the game and check. Next fix is to update your device. So open settings, scroll down, click on system and updates, click on software update, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your device and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Now next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store such as ExpressVPN, TurboVPN, ProtonVPN, NinjaVPN, ExpressVPN, NordVPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store and then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead and launch FIFA Heroes app and check if your problem is solved or not. Now here take a note, if you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to reinstall FIFA Heroes app. So tap and hold FIFA Heroes app icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm it, and then just restart your device once. And once your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for FIFA Heroes and then tap on it and then click on install button to reinstall it. And once the FIFA Heroes app get reinstalled, then you can click on play button and then try to launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then the last thing you must do is to check for the FIFA Heroes Football Action app server status. And if you find that the server status is down, offline, under maintenance or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check back later. So by following these fixes, you can easily fix FIFA Heroes app not loading or stuck on loading screen problem or stuck on infinite loading screen problem on Android phones. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.